3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TCO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
In this video, I will be showing you how to install the Microsoft Store on Windows 10. Let's get started. If, for any reason, you've accidentally uninstalled Microsoft Store, or if it's simply missing from your PC, you can reinstall it easily by following these steps. First, from your desktop, navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen and click into the search box. Type PowerShell into the search bar. When you see Windows PowerShell appear as the best match, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. This will open the PowerShell window. Next, you need to copy a specific code, which I will leave in the video description below. Copy the code and return to the PowerShell window. To paste the code, press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Once the code is pasted, hit Enter, and the system will begin executing the command. This process may take a minute or two to complete. After it finishes, you can type Exit in PowerShell and press Enter to close it. Now, go back to your search box and type Store. You should see the Microsoft Store app appear in the search results. Click on it, and the Microsoft Store will open up. From here, you can start downloading apps, games, movies, and more using the Microsoft Store. And that's all there is to it. I hope this tutorial helped you out today. If it did, I would really appreciate it if you leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.